Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you edit your personal information in the Escafam application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you're done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will find three lines. Press on it. And here you should press on the fourth option here, which is settings. And you can see here the profile section. You can edit your full name, you can add the location, bio, web, username, your email and Gmail address, you can see there, your birthday, and finally your gender. So you can change any of these. For example, your full name, you can just add like something here and press OK, and you can see after a little bit of waiting the change was done. Now I have an 8 number right after my name, and you can also add the location here. Just press OK. You can also add a bio if you want, and basically fill out every other information here that you need. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.